Okie.
Oka.
Let me see.
Okatibbee.
Okatibbee.
Okatibbee Lake.
Okatibbee. Okatibbee.
Oh, no, it's not Okatibbee. Okatibbee.
Let me see it.
Okatibbee Lake. Indian word.
There we go. Okatibbee Lake. And that's the campground there. And there we are. And we're on site 31.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. I love that the colors are turning. It's very woody here. Very nice. Nice forest. Very nice. Oh, honey. Somebody set up on that little site right there. That's a pull-through right there.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Looks like he's made him a camper out of the little delivery truck van.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Well, it's a girl. It's a young lady.
That's really cool. Oh, it was an ambulance.
Whoa.
Sweet.
You notice these are only one-lane roads.
Right.
One-way roads. You know, follow signs around here because these are one-way and you can't pull off of them and let somebody by.
Right. There's nowhere to pull off.
Yeah, it's a ditch on the east side of the road here.
Here's the bathhouse. Nice. Here's the ladies' bathhouse, part of the bathhouse. It's nice and clean. Oh, I love where they put their extra toilet paper, huh? Stainless steel toilets. Let's see. And 2 showers back here. One here. Very nice. And wow, they need to fix that. Yeah. The handicap shower here. Very good. Very good. Sweet. Just your typical campground bathhouse. And they also have a laundry facility. Got to get change at the gatehouse, it says. Oh, the dryer's out of order. Dang it. And it's $1 to dry. And it looks like $1 to wash. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Just a little room here. Okay, we're going to be checking out the Loblolly Loop. Got a playground in this loop too. It's on the water over here too. And all of these sites have a picnic table, a fire ring, grill, and a lamp post. It's very pretty. Nice. And I haven't seen any loops that are really unlevel. Most of them are pretty level.
Lots of room, spacious.
Oh yeah, definitely.
These here are a little close together for, this is an older park here, so, you know, and a little bit closer together. This is almost like, that's kind of neat. All these are, I mean, tents are a little bit different.
Pretty nice. Well, that was Lob Lolly.
Yeah. Not a real big campground.
Oh, yeah. They've got plenty of space here to add on if they ever wanted to. Lots of extra parking everywhere, too. And now we're back at the bathhouse.
Swimming area.
The beach swimming area. Oh, look at the colors. Aren't they pretty? Wow. Nice. That bathhouse is centrally located between the two big loops, and all the rest of these, like this is the primitive camp area, and they have pit toilets. They have a lot of group camping here. It's nice. And all these sites have water on them. That's cool. Coming up on the beach area. Oh, they have volleyball and basketball. Love Corps of Engineer parks. It's very nice. This is their beach area. These are the primitive tent sites. Not too primitive though, because there's water at each of the sites. That's pretty sweet. Nice and level. Nice tent area. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Wow. So pretty.
Meridian, Mississippi is where we're at. 10 miles north of I-20 is this park, Army Corps Park.
The little town though is called Collinsville, that the park is in. It's just barely in Collinsville.
Yeah, Collinsville's a small town here.
Yeah.
Not a super big campground, but the lake is 4,000 acre lake.
Yeah. And our loop is called Black Gum Loop. And we were just over there at the group camp. Well, you can't miss us when you come into this camp. It's considered persimmon camp right there. They have power water, big picnic shelter with big grill. Yeah.
You got a little pier out there.
Mm-hmm.
There's parking to your right here.
Yep. Extra parking right here.
That's that pull through right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a nice pull through. Very nice pull through. Now, if you don't have the senior pass, it is $20 a night. All of those sites are on the water. And every one of them seem to be level.
And they use them for, they like these down here for the boats.
Exactly. Of course, there's one there. You've got these over here. Nice. Very nice. Yep, they all have water and power. And most of them, I believe, have 30 and 50 amp. Look at our view. Wow. Awesome. I love fall. I do. It's so pretty with the leaves falling. It's very quiet. I'm sure this place is bustling on the weekends. Today is Wednesday, and we came in yesterday, and he says, there's plenty of sites. Y'all just pick one. So we did. And of course, this one's a 14-day stay also. Now, some of them have extended stays, so you may want to look into that if you're looking at a Corps of Engineers and want to stay longer than the 14-day. Yeah, some of them have extended stay. Y'all give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.